Hi, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Emily Rassam. Today we are making a traditional Mediterranean and Middle Eastern hummus dish. We're going to start with 4 cups of garbanzo beans. These can either be canned or you can bake them or cook them ahead the night before. Then we are going to add some lemon, garlic, rosemary, sage, cumin, salt, and pepper to the mix. These are all to your taste preference, but I recommend starting out low on the garlic aspect as you are using raw garlic. We are going to pour those in to our food processor. You can also chop this up with a potato masher by hand if you would like, or take a fork and smash it for a very long time, or you can use a mixer after you've smashed it, like a hand mixer. After we add the dry spices, we're going to squeeze in our whole lemon. This helps mix it and also adds a nice citrus flavor to the dish. After we do that, we will be adding 1 whole cup of yogurt. If you see in this video the yogurt I have made, we do have another recipe for that is posted on our YouTube channel that you can watch, how to make your own homemade yogurt. It's quite simple. As you notice, it's a little bit thinner than regular yogurt you buy at the grocery store, and that's because it doesn't have any added ingredients to thicken it. A lot of the grocery store yogurts add pectin and other ingredients. Then you're going to add about a cup of tahini. This is to taste preference. I like a lot of tahini, and if you are saying, oh my goodness, how are you affording to add a whole cup of tahini? Check the ethnic grocery stores. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and process this. You're going to want to process it until it is smooth to the taste. And this really depends on the speed and power of your mixing device. The smoother the better on all fronts. Then garnish with some fresh vegetables or pita and top with some spicy peppers. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos.